Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY Boomboxes in Texas. My name is Phil, your host, and let me show you what we have here today. Now, the only thing I did differently in this one here has the 100 by 100 watt amp. It's boosted to about 20 volts, and it's got the built-in tuner on there, so you can adjust the volume and everything on there. It's really cool. I think I see Duke sneaking up over here. And the one thing I'm showing you guys today is these speakers here. These are the Polk marine speakers. Polk makes different designs. These are the let me get the box here. These are the Polk Audio DB 651 6.5 inch coaxial speaker. I've used some other Polks in the past. This is the first. Now the last two builds you saw me do, I actually used the 4-inch version of these speakers. I've never used the 6.5 inch version of these speakers, and I just did a little test run on them, and my gosh, these things are a lot louder than I expected, and they have a much better sound than I expected. I mean, they're almost as loud as the Scar speakers. I mean, they're in the ballpark. They have an incredible sound, and they're about half the price, maybe a little more than half the price of the Scar speaker. Hello, Duke. Of course, everybody knows Duke. If it's your first time seeing my video, this is Duke. He's my buddy, my partner in crime, and he loves being in my videos. And everybody loves Duke. He's got fans all over the world. My last video, if you go back to the one before this one, the boat box, you're going to see a whole lot of information about Duke. He kind of gave him a long little intro there at the end, or extra. He took up most of the end of the video, but anyway, if you guys haven't seen these coolers before, these here are really nice. Now, it can't be used as a cooler anymore, and I'll show you why. The inside is full of electronics, as you can see inside here. And what we have here is the voltage booster, which is boosting the battery. We have here a 15 amp hour battery that's going to run it for at least 12 to 13 hours on a charge, and run it really good. And of course, we have all the electronics go with it. Here's the amplifier here with the tuner adjustment and everything on like that, and works really good. Now this particular cooler, now I get these in different colors. This one here is in black, and the customer wants me to paint the lid black, so that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. And but that's how this one's going to turn out, really nice. So anyway, let me show you guys the top here. If you haven't seen my coolers here before, this is the charging port right here. Now it has an extra one. This one used to have a smaller battery. It upgraded to a larger battery. Oh, come on, dude, you can be right in the way. It's got USB ports to charge your phone, voltage meter. You turn that on with a switch right there. It's got a full charge, and everything is waterproof under this cover right here. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to crank this one up and let you guys hear it. Now, some people are thinking, I'd rather have the speakers on the front. Well, yeah, that's great, but the speakers on the side are perfect because the sound kind of goes everywhere, and especially if you're floating down the river, this thing's probably going to be rotating, and this way the speakers will never be facing away from you. You're always going to have sound coming at you, no matter how the cooler is rotating around. And perfect also for the beach or anywhere you just want omnidirectional sound. This one's going to do really good. Now I'm going to do Silent Running by Mike and the Mechanics. I think this song does really good on this setup here. And let me go ahead and turn this down a little bit. I don't want to get too loud, because this thing gets loud, and unfortunately my camera cannot handle high volume, so it'll sound distorted even though it'll sound great in here. So you just have to trust me of how loud this thing gets. I'm only going to play it maybe half or three-quarters, not even, maybe a little between quarter and a half the volume. So here we go. Dude, you gonna be all right? He may not like this. He may jump down. bass is not going to translate real well. I will say this. Now, these are not going to thump because these are only 6.5-inch full range speakers. They're not designed to thump. They're not subwoofers. But as far as the bass in the song, you can hear it's there. It's very, very pronounced. Sounds really, really good. I'm very, very impressed with these speakers. Now, I'm also going to be using these same speakers, but they make one called a slim mount, which is a little bit thinner on my other cooler, my Lifetime cooler, and that's going to be coming up really soon. Right now I'm just waiting on parts to come in, and as soon as the parts come in, we'll be doing that. But I'm really excited about it and everything, and I'm just really, really impressed with how this thing sounds. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. I'll give you guys one more look at it. And again, I can get these coolers in different colors. You can see up here I got blue and white. I've got kind of a brown with a black lid. And I can paint the lids if you want it, you know, black and red instead of the white. I don't know why they do that, but that's something Igloo does. And real clean. And I'm very, very impressed with these speakers. I'm really, really happy about it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and look forward to hearing back from you guys soon. And or I should say, leave me a comment below. If you'd like to order one, get in touch with me. Yeah, I'll give you my email address and my phone number, and we'll go from there. This one here is going to sell. This one sells for about $300, and I think it's a really, really good bargain. Now it's not a working cooler. It's a waterproof Bluetooth boombox, very sturdy. The cool thing is, upon request, I can put a USB charger inside, and you can actually store your phone inside the cooler and charge it off the battery. This battery here should run minimum 12 hours to 13 hours on a charge. So it's plenty all day long. They come with a charger. And works really, really well. So I'm very impressed with it. I really am. So thank you guys so much for watching, and look forward to hearing back from you. Please leave me a comment below. Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button so to, give me some upvotes there on YouTube. And hope you guys enjoy my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. I've been hearing a lot from you guys. Thank you guys for all the positive feedback, and I've been getting some negative feedback, but that's okay. I can't please everybody. I'm just doing the best I can with my limited knowledge. I'm not a beginner by any means, but I'm certainly not a pro. I'm just kind of somewhere in between, and I'm having a good time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and look forward to more videos coming up real soon, and we will see you next time. I don't know where Duke went, but I guess we'll say bye, Duke.